Charity, I'm gonna send a video to your daddy.
What?
I'm gonna send a video to your daddy.
Okay.
Well, hey, what would you say if he was here today?
What?
If you, I mean, to send him in Afghanistan, sorry, what would you tell him?
Tell him that I love him, Mommy, and that I will love him for always.
Love him for always?
Mm-hmm.
And what, would you give him a big hug or a kiss?
Now I can see all the bellies on there.
Yes.
All right, Lucy, what would you say? Would you say, love you, Daddy? Mommy, what would you say?
Love you, miss you.
That's it?
I want your body.
I think you're too hottie for a toddy.
I'll take a video of you for another one.
All right, I'm gonna send this to him on Facebook.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Mrs. Bronson, your husband's here reporting for duty. Remember, you get the first hug. I swam all the way just for you, honey.
Charity. So, if he was here today, what would you ask? What did you tell him? She said that you're too hot, your hot body. So she.
Yeah.
Welcome home, Captain Bronson.